Hello and welcome to Operation Crypto. Today we will be taking a look at Swissborg. We'll have a look at some of the basic fundamentals of the project, the wealth app, that is the most commonly used part of the project. Have a look at some key statistics and then have a look at some chart analysis to see what the token's doing. So if you are interested in finding out more, please make sure you like the video, subscribe to my channel, and let's crack on. So let's begin on the main page of the Swissborg website, and we will go through each element of what's going on. So invest crypto assets the Swiss way. We're helping over 100,000 people worldwide become better crypto investors. And here you can see on the right hand side we have the application, which is fairly similar to crypto.com. It does work in the same way, but has a few different features to that platform. You can download the application in the Google Play Store and the Apple App Store as you usually would. So the wealth app, let's have a look into this. You can control your wealth, they say. A trusted and accessible wealth management ecosystem powered by blockchain technology. Swissborg puts your wealth back into your hands. You get the best prices and liquidity from multiple exchanges. Our revolutionary smart engine takes the guesswork out of investing by connecting to Binance, HitBTC, LMAX and Kraken exchanges. We offer significant advantages. You get the best liquidity and rates in a matter of seconds. You connect to multiple exchanges with one account. Execute your orders at the best market price and create exclusive crypto fiat pairs like Chsb and CHF, and we will have a look at that token very shortly. You can invest with your local currency. So currently they have 14 currencies supported. There is a list you can, if your currency is not listed here, then you can join the mailing list and potentially find out when or if your native currency will be added. It does say that our banking partners belong to Instant SEPA and Faster Payments Network. Banking transfers can be completed in as little as 5 minutes, which is fairly quick for banks. The CHSB token is the key to Swissborg's ecosystem. Swissborg community members can participate and invest in the Swissborg platform with our CHSB multi-utility token based on the Ethereum blockchain. So we do have staking, which become a premium community member and pay 0% commission for Bitcoin and CHSB. Protect and burn, benefit from a decrease in token supply for our protect and burn policy. Participate in the future of Swissborg by voting in our referendums, and earn rewards for contributing to the Swissborg ecosystem. Here we have some key statistics. So they did rise in ICO, initial coin offering. They raised $52 million. It's used in 149 countries. And when the ICO happened, there was 23,872 participants. Let's just take a deeper look into the wealth app. And we've already just talked about the best price for multiple exchanges. Other great features are you can protect your assets with advanced security. Advanced MPC cryptography and identification ensures that your assets are always safe and secure. You just say activate your recovery phrase to recover your account in time. That is always key. Whenever you sign up to any cryptocurrency app, always make sure you get the recovery phrase. Put it on a hard drive, put it on a USB, or write it down somewhere and just keep it safe, because that is your key to your finances. If you ever lose your phone, for example, then if you don't have that recovery phase in place, then it's going to be hard to recover it. There's no hidden fees. While other companies claim zero fees but hide them in exchange rates, we make our fees transparent and reinvest them into developing the Swissborg ecosystem. It does say also a pro tip there, if you go premium, you also pay zero fees on Bitcoin and CHSB, which is their token. As well as having the wealth app, you also have a community app, which does say you can learn and earn Bitcoin for free. If you've always been curious to know more about Bitcoin, then the Swissborg community app is built for you. It's fun, easy to use and free game that lets you predict the price of Bitcoin and earn it without taking any risks. That is also available on the App Store and Google Play. It does say that there's 100,000 players and counting. Our community members trust us to educate them about Bitcoin and crypto space, and here you can see some reviews. I will drop the link for the website in my description so you can have a read over them yourself. So the live Bitcoin price. Follow the evolution of the price of a Bitcoin on our interactive chart from your phone. We've included an index with all the favourite currencies. Earn Bitcoin for free. So each successful forecaster earns points. The more points you earn, the higher your rank and the chance to win a share of up to $500,000. Have fun and learn. Finance wasn't designed to be easy. At Swissborg, it is our mission to help individuals across the globe to invest in cryptos with confidence, trust and conviction. Our community tab is home to our unique daily Bitcoin analysis. Give it a read to gain a competitive advantage. And here it does say we have 100,000 players, 1 million in forecast, 51% community accuracy and 58% Cyborg predictor. Moving over to CoinMarketCap, let's have a look at the token, which is Chsb. Let's have a look at some of the key stats here. So currently ranked 64 out of all cryptocurrencies. We are on a 3% increase on the day's trading with a token price of just over 15 cents. Market cap is $111 million. And the total supply of Chsb is 1 billion tokens with 710,554,983 in circulation. Scrolling down, what we want to look at is the all-time highs, which was today. So the all-time high has been smashed today, which is, it dropped 17 cents, but it has dropped down since. All-time low was July of last year when that was way below 1 penny. And then just have a look at some place where we are trading. So market pairs. So HitBTC is getting a lot of the volume. Qcoin and IDEX and Yobit is on the. Don't ever buy on Yobit. That is a top tip because it is a horrible exchange. And just to run over the Block Explorer, as it is an ERC20 token, FSCAN is the place to be. As we did say before, it has a total supply of 1 billion Chsb. Current holders 21,952, and there has been 76,000 transfers of a token. As you can see in the holders list, as you can see who's holding what, 200 million of the supply is held in, I'm guessing, I've not looked into it, but that should be the Swissborg team's wallet. So to finish off with, we will do a little bit of technical analysis on Swissborg. We have the Swissborg US dollar pair on HitBTC. This is the daily time frame. As you can see, over the last few months it has absolutely taken off. If we go back to Bitcoin's yearly lows around the 12th of March, 13th of March for sake, and we do a price increase up to the all-time highs, which was today, we have at a 1,693% price raise. So if you did buy at this level down here, or if you bought previously, then you will be in for a nice bit of profit there. So hopefully you've taken some out when you're not holding it for further highs, because it has turned around. And in my opinion, Bitcoin has peaked really. We hit 10k a few levels, it bounced around, then it's been bouncing around 9,500. And when Bitcoin does drop, I think all the altcoins will follow. Probably not as severe as what Bitcoin does, but we are going to get a retracement. And to have a look at some potential entry points, what I want to do is draw Fibonacci on, and we will take the bottom of the move, like I say, which was around, where's March? Shall we go back? No, I'll tell you what, we'll go back from here. We'll go back from May, and we will take this lowest wick here up to the highest point that we had. We'll go body to body on that one, not going to go wick to wick. And what we are looking for is some entry points really. I do think that this has absolutely flown up and we are due a retracement. So if you target around these levels, around the 0.618 level, that could be good entry points. That's just around 7.5 cents. But in my opinion, anywhere around 10 cents would be a great investment for our future. This works on the same principles of crypto.com, and that is going to fly as well at some point this year. It is an app that is very easy to use. Swissborg is exactly the same. So yeah, they are going to be some good points for investing for our future. With regards to price predictions, I mean, we are in uncharted territory at the minute. It does say that the token will be doing burns, and I mean, in my opinion, the all-time highs will be smashed. It is a fairly new project, and we have hit some all-time highs with just a little bit of Bitcoin growth. So the future, for example, if Bitcoin goes up to 20,000, the all-time highs again, then this will absolutely fly. And there's, I reckon this should hit $1 at some point in the near future over the next year to two. But I mean, I can't really analyse what's going to happen as in chart analysis, but that is just a prediction from me. So if you can get in at around 10 cent and then just hold on, and let's see how far it comes. You could get a times 10 from that, which would be a great returns. So that will wrap it up for today's video. If you have any questions, please drop them in comments. Like the video. Please make sure you do subscribe to my channel. It does help me out a lot. I am fairly new to the YouTube scene, so trying to aim for that magical 1,000 subscribers. So thanks very much for listening. I will catch you next time.